Hey guys, welcome to the Money Roads channel, where you get to learn about some great money making methods, business help, marketing, and much more. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated on the newest trends. Also, make sure to visit the Money Roads website at moneyroads.com. Have tons of free guides, tools, programs, and some other great stuff too. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon and how you can make bank off of that. So how does it work? How can you make money off of Amazon? Well, it's quite simple. Amazon provides a great affiliate program, and the affiliate program is where you sell specific products to people through an affiliate link and get a percentage of the sale. The percentages vary from product to product. For example, fashion and apparel products, you get 10% off of sales, whereas TV and video games, you get about 2%. These rates do change, so make sure to check them out for yourself. Now, what you do is quite simple. First, you have to research and find yourself a category that is niche but also has decent sales. You can do all of the searching on Amazon itself. What I've done in the past is I've used golf clubs or hiking equipment, but you should definitely do some research on your own to find suitable products. Once you've got your category, set up an affiliate account with Amazon and start collecting items. If you guys want a more in-depth guide on how to set up an affiliate account, let me know and I'll get a video done. Now that you have got your items, you need to set up a website around the theme of the items you choose. So if you chose golf, for example, make your website about golf. It is very simple to set up a website nowadays. I recommend you get a URL and hosting service from either HostGator or GoDaddy. Both are great choices which I've used in the past before. If you guys want an in-depth guide on how to make an e-commerce website, let me know. Once you've set up the website and have incorporated your links, you can begin to advertise it. I suggest finding Facebook groups with people that have similar interests as your website product. Just by advertising your website on Facebook, you can target your audience very well. Also, try advertising on Google using their AdWords program. You can also set up social media accounts for your website. So you can, for example, set up a Twitter, Instagram, and use hashtags that are about your product. For example, if you're doing golf, the PGA Tour is happening right now. So you could use hashtag PGA when promoting your golfing website. Now, I don't know much about golf, but you will definitely get traction to your website using relevant hashtags. And it's absolutely free. This sort of money-making method is great to try out. It can be a little difficult at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Trial and error is key for this as well. If you have tried a specific category and it hasn't worked out, then try another. Business and money-making is all about perseverance and trying new things. I've personally made a couple grand off this a few months back, but who knows, maybe you can make more. Just try it out. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Visit my website at moneyroads.com. Check out my social media accounts and check out the links I've mentioned below. Thanks and have a nice day.